In this video, I'll show you how to change your security questions in Payoneer and what Payoneer actually allows right now. First, Payoneer does not appear to offer a normal in-account menu where you can directly edit your security questions anytime you want. Their support pages focus on password reset, two-step verification, and account recovery if you forgot your security answer, rather than a simple change security questions option. So, if you forgot your security answer or want to replace it, the main method Payoneer points to is to reset your password. Open the Payoneer sign-in page, tap Forgot Password, enter your username, confirm your phone number, or use email recovery, then create a new password. Payoneer says this is also the step to take if you forgot your security answer or got locked out after answering incorrectly. If you can sign in normally and your goal is better account security, go to Settings. Then Security Settings and review your two-step verification options instead. Payoneer says you can edit the phone number used for verification there, which is often more important now than old-style security questions. If none of that works, contact Payoneer support from the Help Center. Their support articles say to reach out if you can't recover access using the normal reset flow. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.